In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva in combination with Google to enhance your design experience. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Canva. If you're already familiar with this platform, feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, stick around as I'll guide you through this creative journey. When you arrive at Canva's homepage, you're going to notice several options to get started. For ease of access and integration with other tools, click on Continue with Google. This not only expedites the login process, but also ensures that all your designs are seamlessly saved and accessible via your Google account. You'll then be prompted to choose your Google account. Simply click on the appropriate account you wish to use for logging in. It's a straightforward step, but essential to ensure all your creations are stored securely and can be retrieved from any device where you're logged in. Just after confirming your choice, click Continue, and you'll be guided straight into Canva's vibrant world of design possibilities. Now let's get started on creating your first custom design. Within Canva, find the option to select a custom size for your project. This feature allows you to tailor your design to any dimension you need, whether it's for a social media post, flyer, or any other purpose. Enter your desired size and click Create New Design. This action opens a blank canvas, ready for your creativity to take form. In the newly opened design workspace, you'll see various options on the sidebar. To kick things off, make your way to the Uploads section. Here you can upload and select images from your device, perfect for building personalized designs. Pick the image you need, ensuring it fits harmoniously with your concept. Once your image is in place, navigate to the Apps section. This is where the magic happens. Type Clipping Mask into the search bar. Clicking on Clipping Mask provides creative options to shape your image into unique forms. When the Clipping Mask application loads, you'll see a Start Masking button. Go ahead and click it to explore extra features. You have 3 distinct options available: shape, image, and text. These options allow you to customize your design elements precisely. However, for today's video, we'll focus on the text option. Click on Choose Text and type in any wording you want to be applied to your design. Finally, hit the Add to Design button to integrate your chosen text style into your canvas. With your text in place, you may want to adjust its position. Simply click and drag the text box to move it around until you're satisfied with its alignment. Watch as the result unfolds on your canvas, showcasing the blend of text and image. There you have it, a customized creation using Canva and Google integration. Feel free to experiment with other options and enjoy crafting your unique designs.